All right, so I have this collection here that agent mode generated for me to be able to do a ton of feature flagging functionality. I can list all my feature flags. I can create a new feature flag, just basic feature flagging functionality. So what I want to do is use this collection as a foundation to generate a CRUD web app. So let's ask agent mode, generate a CRUD web app for managing feature flags, including front end. Okay, so agent mode successfully created a complete web app for managing feature flags. Here's what's been built: a Node.js and Express backend, a front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is where the documentation is. And if we go to our local files, we'll be able to see all of that. So if I click into local files, I'll see these two new folders, backend and front end, that agent mode generated for me. The key features that were implemented: we have the backend API that has all of these features. We have the front end UI that has a beautiful design. So let's go ahead and start this app. Okay, so our backend is running. Now let's do the front end. All right, and we can see the front end is running, so let's go ahead and go to the front end. And now when I go to localhost 3000, we have this incredible feature flags manager where you can create a new feature flag, do all the things that we could do from Postman, but now we have this really great UI. So let's just test this out. If I say do a CTA test, let's call this new CTA for homepage button, and I want to make it enabled, and let's create this flag. So now we can see feature flag created successfully, and if we go to the bottom here where it lists all the feature flag, we can see that new CTA test that I just did. So in this example, we went from a collection to a full CRUD application with both backend and front end, all made by agent mode.